because why not? Because we don't need to worry about the ones to the left of the one that's getting destroyed. We only have to start there. So yeah, UI press minus 4. Yeah, right. So then so if slot avail I plus 1, if I plus 1 not equals -1, then that means we're doing this at UI time. Yeah, maybe I should only queue it for destruction. Because buttons won't spawn at UI time, they'll spawn during fixed update. Things hypothetically could get a little wonky if you're destroying and creating things with slightly different timing. So yeah, I'm not actually going to destroy them here. I'm going to queue them for destruction. Yeah. So how does that work? So yeah. In destroy button equals -1, and then during fixed update if destroy button not equals -1, then we destroy buttons, and then we so here we don't actually have to do any of this stuff, at least not yet. We just have to say destroy button equals what? UI press -4, I guess. Yeah, so then we can take this and put it here. So oh yeah, we don't have to. Yeah, destroy button, slot avail, destroy button. It's fairly straightforward. And then yeah, we can say destroy button slot avail dot length -1. Oh, yeah, because if destroy button is oh, yeah, we only have to slide the buttons down if we only have to slide the buttons down if we're destroying one of the first 4, because if we're destroying the 5th one, then we don't have to really do anything. However, after we slide buttons, regardless of which one we destroyed, we have to check if there's a button waiting to get created. So hold on, let me finish this train of thought real quick. And then, so if slots avail I plus 1 not equals -1, then what? Slots avail, avail buttons, slots avail plus 1, no, avail buttons, slots avail, what, hold on, slots avail, slots avail plus 1, no, slots avail I equals, okay, slots avail I, no, what did I do, equals slots avail I plus 1, slot avail I, no, avail button, avail button slots avail I dot transform avail buttons dot transform dot local position equals slots pause I plus 4 yeah, I guess. Let's see what that does. So wait till more stuff shows up. Whoop. I don't know what that's about. Why did it disappear? Oh, right, derp. Destroy button. Oh, oops, not yet. Where was it working? Right, I have to, after all this, I have to stop. So, destroy button equals -1. Alright, that might not handle the out of range stuff, but it should fix the thing where all the buttons disappeared. Alright. Ah, that worked. Wait. Oh, right. Right. So slots avail I destroy button. Yeah, okay, so slots avail, right, okay. Slot avail I plus 1 equals -1, because if the next one doesn't slide down, then that one is now free as a bird, and maybe now everything just magically works. Use hold on. Use. Alright, so good. And then, so when it gets to 5, it just chills out. You can drop the 5 one in and it'll come back. And drop the 4 one in and slide down. Alright, so now let's add backstock. So, where's the, where do we put the spawn next button? Alright, so those things aren't going to stay because it's silly, but one thing that's actually going to stay is int button stock equals 0, or I'll call it button backstock. Button backstock equals 0, and okay, so if we would spawn a button, but there are no button spaces to spawn, if idx is if idx what equals -1 in this case, oops. If idx equals -1 in this case, then button backstock will increase because we just we didn't have room to put it in the UI, so we're going to put it out back, and then whenever we're destroying a button, whenever a button gets destroyed, then it's possible that maybe a new button is maybe now there's space for a new button. So if we have backstock, if a button got destroyed, there's definitely space for a new button. So if button backstock is greater than 0, let's spawn a new button. Button spawn time. I guess we don't have to be fancy because we slid all of our buttons down, so we know that it's going to get spawned to button. We know it's going to get spawned in the last spot, the spot that's like just peeking in from the edge, because there's not a way to, at least until I implement multi-touch, there's not a way to destroy 2 buttons at the same time. So, yeah. I should probably just put this in like spawn button something or other. I don't know. But for now, I'm going to say, I'm just going to copy this, because that's not even where, well, yeah, I mean, I could just put all of this in, I could just put all of this in, separate spawny thing. Yeah. I think I'm gonna do that, because it's not, yeah, no, this is fine. Okay, so, yeah, where's destroy button? Because let's put this right next to it. So void spawn button. And I guess we don't really need any parameters for that, because it's all kind of decided based on the state of the current UI. So we'll just do all this. Oh, no, not quite all that, just all this. Right, that's legit. And then, so now for where we had been spawning buttons, in the temporary, we can just say spawn button. And where we're filling in our backstock, we can just say spawn button. Boop. So power buttons? Oh, right, yeah, no, I haven't used power buttons yet. Alright, so let's wait for it to fill up. 1, 2, 3, pop. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now there should be backstock because we waited 3 seconds after it was full. So when I destroy this button, a new one should appear immediately. I said when I destroy this button. No? Alright. Clearly did not work. If button backstock is greater than 0, spawn button. Oh, well, we also have to decrement backstock, button backstock. But that wouldn't explain why this didn't work. Spawn button. I don't know. Oh. Destroy. I don't know. Why didn't you work? I feel like you should work. The rest of it still works, right? That part just doesn't like working though. Alright, well, let's put a print in when we're incrementing button backstock, because maybe that's just never getting hit. Oh. Oh. It's probably because I have the, no? I was gonna say it's probably because I have these for loops inverted, like I have them inside out, but I don't know. I don't think that would necessarily. Actually, I'm gonna move this here, so that we always see the button backstock printed when one spawns. Am I initializing it stupid? Button backstock now. 0 is the correct thing for that to be. Alright, let's see. Let's see how it goes. 0, that's the correct amount of backstock. 0 is 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 the correct amount of backstock. 1, can I get a 1? 0! 0! What? What? Yeah, we're clearly not making it here. So avail buttons not equal. If avail buttons equals equal. Oh yeah, no, it's because I have my silly for loops inside out. So right, we don't check to see if avail for a null avail button yet. First we do that other thing, and then we do that thing. Alright, so right. So here's where this happens. Oh wait, I feel like the brackets have to be screwed up at this point. No? Maybe that just makes sense. Yeah, actually I think that just makes sense. Okay, except this is not in the right place anymore. This goes here. Yep. Yep. And then these indentations are crazy. So like that goes like here, I think. That goes there. That goes, no, that one's in the correct place. I think that's how that goes. No, wait, no. Those are indented too far. Are they? Wait a second. My brain is like bending. So, right, this. Okay, right. This goes like that. Yeah, okay. Alright, there we go. Puzzles. Alright. So yeah, I was performing those 4s in the wrong order. Because like it doesn't matter, because we know that there won't be an available button if there's no proper index. So yeah, we can just check that first, and that way we have our else set up appropriately. What? You're a never-ending loop. What? There. Oh. Break is outside the for loop. Oops. There we go. Save. Yay. Alright. I guess I could crank down the spawn time. Backstock. Backstock 1, yeah, so if I destroy it. No? Well, we got part of it working. Alright, half the battle down. We at least have backstock working correctly now. We just don't have Alright, so where's that other part? Fixed update, destroy button. Button backstock is greater than 0. Spawn button. What is something not getting reset correctly? I'd be a little surprised if that were the case, considering although like backstock isn't filling in immediately, it is filling in on the next tick. So yeah, let's change the spawn period to like 1. 2, 3. So it's like, alright, spawn period, it's turned to like really high, like 500. Okay, so we have 16. Oh wait. Yeah, hold on, when I, let's also print button stock here, backstock. I guess if we never see it, if we never see that notify, then, or if we never see that print, then we won't have to, or we'll know part of what's going on. Alright, so there should be 3 in the backstock. Now there's 2 in the backstock, but it didn't make a new one. Why did it not make a new one? Huh. And then it'll be 1. Yeah. So, wait, what? Oh. It's just not clearing that one for some reason. Is that because... No? I don't know what that would be. So, wait, hold on, let me see this again. Alright, so we have like 5 backstock. Alright, and now we'll stop getting backstock. We have 6 backstock. So if we destroy one from here... No, it just all slides down, fine. Oh wait, no. Right, that wasn't what I was seeing. Yeah. So it makes backstock just fine. Except for this one. Except for the very last spot. And why is that? Why? I'm pretty sure if I get rid of this, it'll give me out of range exceptions. Because I'm doing +1. Right? Yeah, you don't like that. Alright, so that's not it. It doesn't matter where I destroy it from, because no matter where I'm destroying it from, the last one fails to get backstocked. Although it does count down. Oh. Wait. I shouldn't have to... Wait. It's calling spawn button. And, spawn button has, print button backstock right in it. How is it not already printing? I mean, it's clearly just not doing this at all. Alright, so what if, Alright. I'm gonna put this on fixed update outside of the destroy button thing and see what happens then. See what wonderful fresh hell we get then. So far so good. Alright, what's somewhat reasonable? Wait, is it? No, it's not. That's ridiculous. We should be printing that on fixed update. What in the crumps? We should be printing that on fixed update. Ah! I should really shut down the stream, huh? Because, like, this is the worst thing that's ever happened. What do you not understand about printing on fixed update? Alright, are you? And it just didn't look like you were? Alright. That's an excuse, I guess. Alright, let's see if it works then. Nope, still doesn't work. Dumbest thing ever. Super dumb, hyper dumb, mega dumb, Dumbsville. Wait, did it work then? It's almost as though it's working. No, that's just coincidence. Alright, so stop spawning. We have 9 in the backstock. We have 7 in the backstock? That's ridiculous. You're ridiculous. Oh. Oh. I think I know what's happening. Maybe? We're processing multiple get button ups, I guess. So I'm gonna put in a destroy cooldown, I guess. Which seems awkward, but I guess it's better than nothing. So float destroy time equals 0. Float destroy CD equals, or destroy button time. If anyone knows why Unity processes 2 GUI events for each GUI event, feel free to let me know. It's really obnoxious. Or specifically clicks and unclicks, like down clicks and up clicks. Yeah, it's just terribly obnoxious. So 0.2f, I guess. So yeah, so now if destroy button time is less than time dot time and the rest of that stuff. Time with a capital T. Time to fix time, I guess. I always use fixed time. Alright, so yeah, and then so then destroy button time equals time dot fix time plus destroy button cooldown. Want to work now? Be kind of cool if you worked. Nope. Alright, spawn period button, get huge. Alright, so 10. 9. Oh, that worked, that just works. That was neat. That one did not work. And why are we at 6? 4? What is your problem? What on earth is your flipping problem? Alright, I'm clearly getting a bit frustrated. And this is probably just not good entertainment at this point, so I apologize. I don't know. And I kind of wish I did. Maybe I've just been... Maybe my eyes are just getting bleary and I'm tired or something. I'm a little bit hungry. That could be affecting my mood, I guess. I mean, I could also just be snacking. So, let's see if that doesn't help. Maybe don't mind if I have a few light snacks as I work. Nom nom. I'm having slivered almonds. Not slivered almonds, sliced almonds. Maybe that will make everything better. Everything will just be magically perfect. So, yeah, I don't know what the heck is going on with this Oh, where are you indented? Okay, so SI equals 0, SI is less than the slots of L.length, SI plus plus, if slot of L SI equals -1, then that slot is available. And IDX equals SI. I guess we don't really need to do that. We could just say sorry, I dropped an almond. And then nest these for statements again, I guess, just for fun. Get rid of the concept of IDX. Oh yeah. Get rid of that. And get rid of these breaks. Actually, no. Yeah, keep that break. Although no, actually it's not even a break, it's to return false. Oh yeah, because I think I'm gonna make this a bool. And so if it fails to find a or if it finds a slot and then it fails, no, it can't fail to find a. If it finds a slot, it can find an available button, because there has to be a button available. That'd be funny if just cranking up avail buttons fixed everything. Crank up the length of avail buttons. Super funny. So like this, yeah, this is an impossible situation, kind of. Or yeah, so if this returns true, then that makes this an impossible situation. So print paradox. And if we make it this far, we failed to spawn one, so we'll increase blackstock and then return false. Save that, run that. Alright. Spawn period button, crank that up super high. Alright, so we have 12 in the backstock. Now we have 11. Did that actually work? Yeah, it must have. I guess we don't really need that spam. Because that's happening on fixed update. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna take out this print, just so I can see in case we're hitting that paradox. So yeah, we should have some amount of backstock at this point. I guess I can just make it a public variable and I can look at it. But yeah, we should have stupid wrong button. Okay. Whatever, and then make it a public variable so we can look at it. Alright. Alright, let's do some magic here. So button backstock starts climbing. We crank up the spawn period, so it's not going to happen for a while. So button backstock goes from 5 to 4. That seemed like it worked, kind of. 4 to 3. Alright, that kind of seemed like it worked. 2. 1. Yeah? I think that might be working. But we didn't... Oh, I guess I did change that. The way those loops were nested. And that magically fixed it, I guess. I don't know. Sometimes it flickers, which is a little dumb. Oh yeah, sometimes it flickers, which would imply that it's skipping a frame. Alright. I really don't feel like this should work, but I'm gonna try bumping up avail buttons to 6. I really hope this doesn't work. No more flicker. Alright. Well, I guess it makes enough sense that that fixed it. I think what was happening is that we were queuing the objects for destruction, but they weren't actually just getting destroyed in time. So fine, I guess that makes sense. We can make button backstock secretive again, or non-public. Does that complicate anything? No, I think we're still fine. Oh, wow, that used to be 6. Oh, wow, that's magical. It used to be 6. And then I was like, oh, I'll just make it 5 for whatever reason. That's amazing. That is super amazing. My favorite thing. Alright, well, we did it. Magical success, hooray. Gotta use them all up. Gotta use up all the, Alright, let's crank the spawn period super high. And now let's use them all up. Almonds. Almonds save the day. That's what happened here. Trusty almonds. Sorry for getting a little crabby about all the how stupid everything was leaving. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, in that situation. Whoa! What are you doing? What are you doing? Destroy button? No. Why did you think destroy button? Alright, so if you had pressed greater than or equal to 4, no, greater than or equal to 3, no, wait, greater than or equal to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, yeah, and that, I guess it thought I dragged the button onto itself. I thought that I care about that. Alright, that was weird. Bombs, dash, 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 boom. Bombs. Hey, look at these things too. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Just for kicks, I'm gonna say, oh, I don't know if this will do anything. I don't know. I'm gonna try it anyways. I'm just gonna try and differentiate the button so it's clearer what's happening in the UI. Dot render dot material dot color equals new color random dot value. Control Shift save. I don't know if that'll do anything. Yeah, the material is like, it doesn't take a color, I don't think. So yeah, I'm fairly certain it's working. I mean, they're all identical, so it's hard to tell exactly if they're all sliding down, but I think they are. So, I mean, I guess we'll find out once I start adding materials and icons and differentiating these things. I guess I don't necessarily have to stop. I don't have anything really urgent to attend to, except for my belly. I'm like kind of hungry, so maybe I'll get a salad and then get back to it. I don't know. According to the internet, I am offline still, which is weird because I feel as though I've been online. Although maybe at some point it actually got true. Maybe at some point I actually did go offline. And maybe I'm talking to no one right now. Who is to say? So yeah, I think I should probably call it a day for now. I mean, I could always fire it up again later. So thank you for everyone who watched, I guess. We started out okay, right? We got some stuff done in the morning. Wait, why is this not? Oh, because it wasn't active. Okay. Yeah, we got some stuff done this morning. What? Ugh. He has a really funny sense of dragging. Well, I mean, I don't know. I guess I'm just a flimsy human with poor reflexes, and technically in computer time actually I'm like dragging stuff around. It's just not observable to my clumsy human perception. But yeah, we got some stuff done earlier. Sorry, yeah, I was wrapping up. So we got some stuff done earlier today. Hey, look at that. And then we got some stuff done in the afternoon. We ran into some problems, and we got some more stuff done. So I don't know. It wasn't a complete waste of the day. Thank you for everyone who stuck around and watched. You're why I'm here. Goodbye, internet. Good night, I should say.